Okay, good afternoon, and all. So already we have already we have completed some topics yesterday. Types of justice, types of justice. So already political justice and economic justice and social justice. Already we have completed. Remaining two types of justice will be left. So first of all, you can write one common meaning of the legal justice. What is the meaning of legal justice? So legal justice and meaning the meaning of the world law. World law. Justice is justice is a notion of ethical principles, rationality, law, natural law, fairness, fairness, religion, religion, and equality based based on moral rights. On moral rights. So actually, we have the types of justice: legal justice and political justice, economic justice, social justice, and natural justice. So totally we have the number of types of justice only 5 only. Already we have completed yesterday 3. Remaining 2 was left. So today we will discuss these 2 types of justice and we go back to another new topics. So what is the meaning of legal justice? Legal justice and the meaning of the world law. So justice is the notion of ethical principles. Principles. Rationality, law, natural law, fairness. What is the fairness? And religion and equality based on moral right. So this is a simple definitions of the legal justice. Legal justice. What is actually uh, in the part of the our country, all acts will be prepared by parliament only, because government will be proposal and introduce these bills and acts from the purpose of the society, from country and people. So it was approved by where? Parliament only. When the parliament when it was approved by these all bills, after president will be assigned that copy, the bills. So it was implemented by national level. See, it is called the legal justice. It is called the legal justice. You can write this definition or what I am now saying, this definition also, because any bill or any acts will be prepared by government of India from our country level. After when it was approved by Parliament and after approved by President of India, so all bill will be going become as a legal law. Legal law is very important, because anybody crossing legal law, definitely the person will getting some punishment of the state. Legal law is very important. So this definition also you can write. Legal justice and the meaning of the world law. World law means why it was saying world law? Because legal world law means all countries will be prepared by some laws, some acts, some amendment to the part of the country level. So it is very important law, because nobody can crossing that laws. Everybody should be obey that laws. Everybody will be obey from their laws. Nobody can exemption from that laws, because laws when it was approved by parliament, when it was approved by president, it will be going by legally, by authority, by forcefully. So nobody can exemption from that laws. So that's why legal law is very important. That's why it's called world law. It was recognized by world. That's why it's called the world law. And justice is notions of ethical principles, rationality law, natural law, and fairness, religion, and based, equality based on the moral rights. Okay, and next natural justice. What is that? Natural justice. You can write one simple meaning of natural justice. Natural justice here. Fifth number. Natural justice. Natural justice. Natural equality. Natural equality implies that all men are born free and equal and are endowed with equal gift and talents. It also urges the state to reduce inequality rather than rather than rather than perpetuating. You can write this sentence here. Continue. Okay, once again you can see what is the meaning of natural justice. Natural equality implies that all men are born free and equal and are endowed with equal gifts and talents. It also urges the state to reduce inequality rather than perpetuating it. It is called a it is called the what is that? Natural justice. Natural justice. Because natural justice is very important. Why? Because by birth, man will be getting this natural justice to equal to remaining people. How is they getting some rights, some justice, some equality? Same method he or she also getting naturally. So it is not given by anybody. It is given by God by naturally. So this is also very important. This is also very important. And again we will discuss once again this all types of justice once again after we go to another new topic. So types of justice. Legal justice very important. Legal justice why is important? Because legal justice it was prepared by government and it was implemented by government, and there is no partiality to anybody because everybody getting any punishment by samely as per their mistakes. So legal justice means nothing but it was prepared by parliament, it was implemented by government only. Proposal prepared by government and it was introduced by parliament. When it was approved and when it was approved by President of India. uh, Here I am telling our country. So it is called legal justice. Legal justice all are be treated by equally and nobody can exemption to anywhere. So as per legally, it will be implemented by the part of the one state level. This is the legal justice. And the second, political justice. Political justice, what is that? Everybody will be eligible to contest the elections. Everybody will be eligible to contest the elections. And political parties will be there. What is that? Political parties will be there. These political parties will be working. Some political parties working from the public side. Some means one ruling party, another is a opposition party. Opposition party is very important. Why? Opposition party will be find out the ruling party mistakes, their mistakes. So political party is also one of the political justice. And political justice another meaning. So at the time of the complete of the period, so we are go to some elections. Any government will complete a first term 5 years. After we are ready to go to conducting new elections. This also one of the political justice. And press also. Press also important because press means newspaper and media. Media also very important. Just I am telling this all sidings, this all types once again because it is called the recapitulations. Recapitulations of the yesterday topic. Yesterday what we have completed yesterday and today. So recapitulation means remember. Once again we go to remember to this topic discussing this topic. And press also very important. Why the press is important? Because press is there is no press, so government will be taking all decisions by selfly and not given any details of the anybody. So press will be printed such news, not fake news. And we are getting any informations where only we are depend by media. Media means press. Press means daily newspapers and news channels, etc. So that also one of the part of the political justice. And uh, assembly liberty, because when the public will be suffering some major problems, so it's not solved by governments. So they are gathering one place. They are gathering one place, and it is called the assembly. Assembly means meeting. So you are eligible to, you can conducting any meeting to anywhere in the heart of the state level. So this also one of the political justice. This all points will be there. This political justice means this will be there. It is called the political justice. And rule of law is important. Rule of law, because everybody treated by samely and equally, it is called the political justice. And independent judiciary also very important. Independent judiciary. What is the meaning of independent judiciary? Because courts will be working independently, not involve uh, anybody, because government have the three organs. What is the executive and legislature and judiciary? Either executive and judiciary will be interfere the judicially matter, so it is not correctly, because government have the three organs. Already we have discussed before the classes. Government how many organs have? Presently three organs. First the executive, second is the legislature, third is the judiciary. So executive will be taking some decisions by own, and somebody implemented. Implemented means execute only. But what will be taking some decisions, some acts where it will approach legislature. Judiciary will be protecting of the law, protecting of the constitution, and etc. That's the main functions of the judiciary. So independent judiciary means executive and legislature should not be interfered judicial matter and judicial subject. So this is a main points of the political justice. And next to economical justice. Economical justice is also very important. Why? Because economical justice means every person want to him her three needs only: food, shelter, and clothes. This is a major essential element of the persons. And labors also. Any worker, any labor will be working some industries. So the industry will be given good salary as per his work. So he is very happy, and he is getting good salary. So he is working dedicated mind to that industries. So less income, heavy work, the industry will be looted their wealth, their energy. It is not correctly. So economical justice means right to work is important. As per right to work basic, as per work basic, company, not company, at the government side or private side, will be given good, reasonably salaries or wages to workers. Either workers will be getting less salaries, more work will be there, they are not satisfied about their works and not doing their work interestingly. So that's why right to, you can see the economical justice is very important. And first of all, remove the economical differences in the part of the society. Remove the economical difference in the part of the society. Why? Because rich and poor will be there. So already will be there. So, but first of all, state will be thinking about poor people economical conditions, how is there. So, and also governments will be provide more economical facilities, particularly poor people purpose. Definitely, so we can see in the society there is no lot of differences between rich and poor. So that also, and also here, what is the meaning of social justice? Social justice means in the part of the society, our Indian constitution, particularly our Indian constitution clearly mentioned there is no discrimination anybody, between anybody, men and women, community, gender, linguistic basic, other basics, all are be treated by equally. So according to article 17 from fundamental rights clearly mentioned untouchability is a prohibited. Untouchability is, it was prohibited in the part of the society. So, and also here, so social justice is very important. Why? Because 1950 already part fourth directive principles of state policy from our Indian constitution. Our Indian constitution already mentioned DPSP. DPSP means what is that? Directive Principles of State Policy. So this policy means we will discussing what is the meaning of Directive Principles of State Policy from next year, second year. This topic already we have second year, so you are not understanding what is the meaning of DPSP presently. So DPSP, it was clearly mentioned some principles in the purpose of the people, those people living low standard life from their some certain places. So this principle will be implemented from the state level. Definitely they are getting some good result and good benefits. So this also, when it was implemented by successfully, there will be their social justice. This also one of the point of the social justice. And economical basic and other basic, because in the part of our country 60 to 70% of the populations peoples are living poor. Yesterday already we have discussed what is how much percent of the poverty in India. So poverty is the one of the major obstacles of the our country, yes or no? So remove first of all this poverty in the part of the our country, and unemployment also one of the major problem of the our country, and this is also one of the major problem of the one of the major problem of the our country, and starvation also one of the major problem of the our country. So that's why here particularly economical basic and cultural basic and other basic. So all governments, state government and central government will be introduced particular poor people purpose number of policies and reforms. Definitely they are basically improved when they are getting some benefits of the governments, they are getting some benefit of the states. So automatically we have social justice. So and another word is legal justice are completed. Natural justice. Actually, natural justice, by birth, what we have some rights and liberty, equality, justice. It is called natural justice because men and women both are same as per article number 14 from the from the fundamental rights. But presently in the part of the our country, men will be dominating the society, women getting less priority. But constitution clearly mentions both are be equal. So it was mentioned writtenly practically women not getting full justice from the society, because women will be different, men will be different, differences will be there, but we don't show any differences between men and women. Both are the same, both are the equal. So natural justice means by birth what we have that time, so after also we are getting that things are not, it is called natural justice. Already I given one definition. What is the meaning of natural justice? You can read the definition. Definitely you are understanding the definition. And also here natural equality implies the all men are born free and equal. So because any person not dominating to other person are not looted their rights and others, it is not natural justice, because how you are getting some rights, some justice from the constitution, from the government, same other person also they are expecting same rights, same things. So you are not given the rights or not given the things, so it is not natural justice. Only few people are getting this, remaining people not getting, it is not called the natural justice. Everybody they will be getting this natural justice, they are living very happy to their life. So this is the main important. So first of all, these types of justice we have completed, and so we will discussing one John Rawls. John Rawls theory will be there. John Rawls, one topic will be there. What is John Rawls? John Rawls theory. So John Rawls theory of justice. John Rawls theory of justice. John Rawls theory of justice. Who is the John Rawls? What topic will be there? So they are asking 5 marks. Describe the John Rawls theory. Describe the John Rawls theory of justice. This is also one of the topic from our syllabus, from the justice topic only. Describe the John Rawls legal theory of justice. So who is this person, John Rawls? So first of all, you can John Rawls, one of the greatest American philosopher. Greatest American philosopher. He was born 1921. He was born which year? 1921. He was died 2002. Which year? 2002. So John Rawls, one of the greatest legal, political philosopher from USA. He was written number of books. This topic already we have completed. This is another topic. I am explaining few minutes about the John Rawls legal theory of justice. So only this is only orally. There is no any sidings. So you can write John Rawls theory of legal justice, and he was written number of books. First book, A Theory of Justice. A Theory of Justice. A Theory of Justice. John Rawls. John Rawls. John Rawls. Who is John Rawls? Who is this person? John Rawls. John Rawls, one of the greatest legal, political philosopher, and he was proposed one theory. The theory name, what is John Rawls theory of justice. John Rawls theory of justice. So John Rawls theory of justice, what is the main principle? What is so first of all, we will discuss the John Rawls theory. Few minutes. Okay. So you write the John Rawls theory. John Rawls theory of justice. Very important question. Very important questions. So first of all, John Rawls American philosopher. Who is this person? American philosopher. American philosopher. 1921 to 2002. 2002. He was born 1921. He was died 2002. So he was written his books. He was written So many books, but famous books you can write famous books. A theory of justice. A theory of a theory of justice. First book. Second, political liberalism. Political liberalism. Political liberalism. And third, justice as fairness. Justice as fairness. Justice as fairness. The law of peoples. The law of peoples. So, he was written number of books, but here I was mentions only 4 books majorly. So, and also John Rawls proposal which theory? The theory name? The theory name you can write John Rawls theory of justice. John Rawls theory of justice. John Rawls theory of justice. And you can write the so main principles of the this theory. Main principles of this theory. First of all, principles of equal liberty. Okay, you write the 3 principles only. 3 principles. 3 principles. First principle, principle of equal liberty. Principle of equal liberty. Actually, John Rawls, what is the purpose? It's another meaning social justice. What is the meaning? Social justice theory. Second, principle of fair equality. Second, principle of fair equality of opportunity. This is the second. And third, difference principle. Difference principle which implies any deviation continue deviation from the equal distributions of primary goods. Okay, so first of all you can see actually this is one of the greatest theory because it was proposed by John Rawls. John Rawls theory, another meaning John Rawls theory. So John Rawls, what is saying that first of all you can see principles of equal liberty. Why? Because it is a majorly principles of equal liberty and equality is very important. Liberty and equality is both are important to everybody because John Rawls saying about his theory. What is the theory? John Rawls theory of justice. What is the theory name? John Rawls theory of justice. So he was proposed this year only 3 principles majorly. So it will be asking from annual exam only 5 marks. Describe the John Rawls theory. Describe the John Rawls theory of justice. You can write the 3 principles and small lines of the introduction. And second words are principles of fair equality of opportunities, because state can be providing to all facilities by equally and there is no any difference to anybody. So this also second principles of the John Rawls John Rawls theory of justice. And third, particularly those people living from the society basically poor, economically and other basically other level. So particularly state and government will be given more important and more priority to this category of the people purpose, and will be given more facilities from the poor people. So these three principles, this is a very simple answer, simple theory, because is actually John Rawls what he was proposal this theory another meaning. John Rawls social justice, John Rawls social justice and John Rawls theory of justice. Particularly he was proposal and encouraged only three principles majorly his theory. He was one of the greatest American philosopher. He was written number of books, but major four books already I mentioned. So generally this topic will be asking from the annual examinations 5 marks only. Describe the genres legal justice or genres theory of justice. So you can write this answer only. Genres one of the major greatest political and philosopher and legal philosopher, and also here Rawls also supported public sector and private sector also, because presently India have two sectors, private sector and public sector. It was two sector which will be mingled. Our economic system it is called now mixed economical system, mixed economic system, mixed economic system. So tomorrow we will discussing to another new topic from the our syllabus. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.